Good morning. Today is again a new book day. I've got many requests about this book, Atomic Habits. I'm Ekaksh, and you're watching Book Huggers. You know how we all make New Year's resolutions like, I'll start waking up early. I'll study regularly. Or, no more junk food from tomorrow. But by the second week, poof, they vanish. That's exactly where Atomic Habits by James Clear hits hard. It's not about big goals, it's about small habits. Let's dive in. 1. Tiny habits make a big difference. James Clear says, if you get 1% better every day, you become 37 times better in a year. Yeah, 37 times. Not 2x, not 10x. 37x. So instead of forcing yourself to study 4 hours a day from day one, what if you just start with 10 minutes? It's not about doing more. It's about doing consistently. 2. The habit loop, cue, craving, response, reward. This is honestly cool. Every habit works like a loop. Cue, your phone buzzes. Craving, you want to check it. Response, you pick it up. Reward, a message from your friend. Now imagine using that same loop for good habits. Cue, your books are open on your desk. Craving, you feel like ticking off your to-do. Response, you study 15 minutes. Reward, boom, small success. The book shows how to hack your brain using this loop. 3. Environment matters more than willpower. James says, don't blame your lack of motivation. Fix your surroundings. If your phone is right next to your maths book, guess who's winning? Instead, try this. Put your phone in another room. Or switch off Wi-Fi for 30 minutes. Even better, study with a friend who motivates you. Basically, make bad habits hard and good habits easy. 4. Identity outcome. Here's the deep part. Instead of saying, I want to be a topper, say, I am a person who never misses a study session. That's identity. Because if you believe you're someone who stays consistent, your brain starts acting like that person. Small wins build identity. And identity builds lifelong habits. 5. Fall? No problem. Get back fast. Even the best people skip habits. The key is, never miss twice. Skipped a workout? No problem. Do 5 push-ups tomorrow. Forgot to study? Cool. Open the book even for 5 minutes next day. Habits don't break because you fail once. They break when you stop completely. So, Atomic Habits isn't a magic trick. It's a real, no-nonsense guide to fixing your life, one tiny habit at a time. And honestly, it works. I've started applying this in my own life, from waking up earlier, to practicing tabla daily, to, staying consistent with this channel. Hey Race, a question for you. What's one habit you want to build starting today? Tell me in the comments, and I'll reply to every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Atomic Habits, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who keeps saying, I'll start tomorrow. I'm Ekaksh, and you've been watching Book Huggers. See you next time, with another life-changing book.